New Teams meeting functionality, test speaker and mic. So I'm in a Microsoft Teams meeting here. So I've just clicked to join and I haven't quite joined the meeting yet. But before I do, I now have the option to test my speaker and my microphone. So no more, can you hear me? Or, oh, I can't hear you, because we can all test before we get to that stage. So I haven't quite joined the meeting yet. I've got the join now button down here and I've got my computer audio here. I've got my microphone here and my speakers. So I'm just going to have a look at my microphone drop down list. So I've got 3 different microphones here. I've got the Jabra microphone, which is the first one that's connected, and that's this one here that I'm wearing. I've got one connected with my webcam. I have a Yeti one, which is my big one here. And there's probably one here which is within the laptop. Okay, I'm going to have a quick look again at the speaker drop down list. So again, I've got my Jabra, this one here. I've got my speaker, my Realtek one, that's within my laptop. And I've got 2 other Dell ones here, which I'm assuming are within the laptop as well. So there's a good chance that you could have a couple of different options connected when you're joining a Teams call, and it could automatically pick up the wrong one, which isn't the one that's working. So if we click test mic and speaker, this window will open up for us, and it's actually playing a little tune now. So it's asking me if I can hear that. So I could either click yes, I can hear it, or no, try next speaker. So it's automatically gone for the first speaker here. And if I click no, try next speaker, it will run through them all. So that's now the one coming in my laptop. And again, I'm going to say no, try next speaker. And I've got 2 other options there. Okay, so then we've got no, I can't hear it. And now it'll tell you that you've tested everything, and we'll test speakers again. So it's going to go through those. And now I can hear it coming through this one, which is the one I want to use for this call. So I can click yes, I can hear it. And then we go on to listening to the microphone, listen to the sound through the microphone. And you can see as I am talking that we have the bars here, which are implying that it's picking up my voice. And when I pause, it will actually play back the text that I have just been saying. And I have got the same options here. No, try next mic, or yes, I can hear it. So I'm going to go, yes, I can hear it. And now I am set up knowing that I have got the right speaker and the right microphone for my call. I can click done, and then I can join my meeting. So thank you very much for watching. If you are here on LinkedIn, please do connect with me. And if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much.